It's not burning good enough. What? I'm filming Jason. Film Jason.
So welcome back to the sawmill, friends. Today's a road trip day. We're loaded up. I'm letting the deer mats warm up right now. We're gonna head down to South Georgia to hang out with a few of my friends this weekend and check out my favorite sawmill. You guys hang in there. Friends, we're in South Carolina. I've been on the road for just over 2 hours, and I think I got about 4 hours left and we should be there. Let me shut the door. Now, I would prefer hot coffee, but there's no hot coffee at the rest stop. Only the cold stuff. So according to my phone right here, we should be there in about 4 hours and 3 minutes. And that's right at 2 o'clock. I think that's right. Yeah, right at about 2 o'clock. And we're going down to my buddy Jake Dean's place down in Georgia. He's got one of the best sawmill setups I've ever been to. And we're gonna be down there for the next 3 days. And we should get some good sawmill footage today if I can get down there before he quits for the day, because he's sawing up some orders. And for those of you that have been watching me for a long time, you know what his sawmill setup is down there. He's got 2 LT70s and just about any machine you would ever want. But if you're new to this channel, let me give you guys a little sneak peek at his operation before we get there. I'll see you guys here in just a minute. All right, guys, we are still in South Carolina, but I think we'll be in Georgia here in about 10 miles. But I've made 2 observations today on my little journey down to Jake's place. Number one, there's a lot of dollar stores in the South, my goodness. Tennessee is covered up with them. And as I've drove through North and South Carolina today, man, it's no different. Dollar stores on every corner, no shortage of them. And another observation I've made is South Carolina has a ton of yellow pine down here. A lot of timber down here in this part of the country, and there's a lot of logging going on. I've had logging trucks pass me all day long with a lot of yellow pine and some cypress. Good stuff down here. I wish we had good yellow pine back in Tennessee. Our yellow pine is few and far between. White pine is mostly what I have where I'm at. But just so much yellow pine down here. Good stuff. So I'm gonna keep on getting down the road here, guys, and we will be in Georgia here in just a minute. Martha, do you have a burn permit?
That's not my department.
You're just the fire starter.
That's right.
We got Robert Milton here from Hobby Hardwoods, guys. Go check out his channel. I'll put a link right there. If it doesn't show up, go down the video description. I call him the Wood Yoda. Is that right, Robert?
Yoda.
Yoda. I called him Yoda. My goodness. I'm gonna leave that in there.
Yogi.
The Wood Yoga. He does yoga at a sawmill. You remember that one year it was too windy. We couldn't even do this. This is one of the best parts about coming down here. And for all you people that complain when I burn slabs, looky there. Every sawmill burns slabs, okay? Look at that stack over there. Going up in smoke probably by Saturday. It's not a big deal.
That's why you got me to start today.
Yeah, he's got a lot to burn. All right, we got a gas tank and a bonfire going here. This might get interesting. Or it may be for a viral video, one of the two.
What does he need to put fuel for? It's not burning good enough. What? It's not burning good enough? No, you gotta actually... Hey, you hear Martha back in the background. Woo!
That's good. That's good. Well, the comments will be good on this one. So today was not really the first day of the sawmill project. It was more like the day before, because the project doesn't start until tomorrow. It's on Friday and Saturday. And I'll probably be doing maybe 2 videos this weekend of the project. I know we'll do at least 1, but possibly 2. I'm not sure yet. I got a wild idea for a second video while I'm down here, but I'm not sure if I can make it happen. We'll have to wait and see on that.